Okay, that's great. The session is being recorded now. Let me write it's 10th CBSE. By the way, everyone can see my screen. New student, everyone.
Yes,
Can
sir.
someone? That's
Yes,
great.
sir.
And the chapter name is Arithmetic Progression. Okay, right. Okay, basically, I told you now the chapter name originally is called as Sequences and Series. Okay, normally I don't switch off my video, okay, because it's not necessary. You just focus on my board, okay. But still, for the new student, maybe they want to imagine, right? When I'm talking, you guys wants to imagine, right? For that, just I'm sharing my video for some time. Then later I'll switch off. But your focus should goes on the video, sorry, board, not on the video, okay. Okay, so let's start with what is these terms. Okay, let's understand this term. Okay, before that, just I'll write some. Okay, old student. How many of them attending this second time? Harigaran, this is first time or second time for you?
First time, sir.
First time only, right? So I think most of them are first time, right? I think Megul, are you first time or second time?
First time, sir.
I think then Omkar and I think Saili, they are attending. Okay, that's great. So rest of the students are new, brand new. Okay, then you'll not get bored, right? Because normally teachers' work is what we are repeating the same, right? Right. Someone is doing annotation in my screen, right? Guys, don't do the annotation. Let me clear this, and I'll disable the annotation. Right. Okay, so let's start with some numbers. Okay, let me put 1, 2, 3. Just you try to visualize imagine the answer. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, so someone please unmute and say that what is the answer for this two?
4
4,
and
5, 6, 7.
4 and 5. Okay, then what is the answer for these two?
14 and
13.
14 or 13?
14 and 17.
20.
Nice. What is this answer next?
1 and minus
1 and
minus 2.
minus, only minus is coming next. Who is
Minus 2,
talking?
minus 2.
Okay, appreciate you. Okay, minus 2. Correct? Okay, what about this?
24 and 32.
24 and 32. Can you tell me what is the rule you are applying?
Here the common difference is 8, that's why.
You are saying 8? No, here it's not 8. No, here 2. Common difference is 2.
Okay,
Here
sir.
it's not that. Okay. So, but there is other rule. Anyone can tell me what is the rule? Just capture, by seeing, by observing these 4 terms,
2
you
2s are 2 4s are
Multiplied by 2, right?
By 2.
multiply by 2.
4.
Excellent. Basically double, right?
64.
64. So what do you understand? Guys, I didn't teach anything, correct or not? I didn't
these
tell you
are all
anything.
there in a series.
Yeah, no, it's not series. This is a problem, right? So we learned so many things. So that's why we are confused with what is sequence and series. Okay. So it's not a series. Let me complete. Okay. So the brain, how the human pattern is working, our mind by seeing itself, it is automatically will say the next term. Okay. This is the beauty of because where there is an order, the moment we will follow the order. Clear or not? We don't want to say that. Clear or not? So same way, maybe if I put some more, let's see that how many of you. Okay. 8, 15. Anyone can tell me what is the next 2 times? Anyone can tell me? I'm just increasing little complexity, nothing more.
24, sir.
24, you are saying that? Okay, is correct.
And 24 plus 10 is 34.
34, no, it's not correct.
35, sir. 35.
35, excellent, 35. What is the rule? You can, basically, you
3,
can
5,
apply any rules.
9.
You are adding plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, right? That's what you are adding, correct or not?
Yeah, sir, it is odd.
One rule, basically, but I have a different rule. Anyone can tell me. I imagine a different rule and I answer this. Anyone can tell me. Anyone can guess it. The rule. It's basically, the rule is this one, student. N square minus 1. The rule is any square minus 1. So first always start with 1. 1 square minus 1 is what? 0.
0.
Next to 2 square minus 1 is what? 3. So it's all a perfect square minus 1. Correct or not? Perfect square minus 1. So 4 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 16 minus 1, 25 minus 1, 36 minus 1. Now you can say that what is the next number? What is the next perfect square according to our rule? This is 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1. This is 6 square minus 1. Next is 7 square minus 1.
48.
48. Right, student? Clear? Clear? Everyone clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I can see Tanus. Okay. Arya, I can see a lot of good friends. Okay, your friend. Thank you so much. Okay, normally, that's great. I'm finding very difficulty students are joining in our class. Okay, only old student. Now I can see a lot of new students are here. That's great. Okay. So guys, anyone can tell me what are the next two terms here?
One by 5 and 1 by 6 or what, sir?
1 by 5, 1 by 6. Clear? And what is the next two term here? Next two term.
Sir, 12.
12 and
Not 12. Not 12.
Sir,
Just
10 and
no. There is a beautiful
9 and
pattern.
11.
Guys, this is called as, it's a beautiful sequence. You just Google it, okay? It's actually Fibonacci. Okay? It's a very famous Fibonacci series. Fibonacci sequence, okay?
So 9 and 11.
9 and 11. No. So basically, guys, if you see that first two terms are 1. Now 2 is obtained by adding these two terms. Now 3 is obtained by adding these two terms. Now 5 is obtained by adding these two terms. Now
13.
8 obtained by adding these two.
21, 21.
No, it is not 21. Adding these two, you will get the next term. So every term is obtained by adding the previous two terms. Okay.
13. 13.
13.
Next.
21.
21.
21.
Guys, Google it, student. That is how come you guys missed it? I really don't know. It's one of the, by nature, every nature creation, one of this following this number. You can count number of leaves. It follows this ratio. If you see the number of seeds in anything, it will follow. That's a beauty. No one knows that why God's created this sequence. No, God's following the pattern. But fortunately, this guy found that in nature, because that's the speciality of this sequence. Correct or not? Every sequence has some speciality, but this is very, very important. Clear? So normally, right, when you are seeing, you are not able to find. But hereafter, just don't forget this. Okay, you have to remember this. Very, very important. Okay, you can write, guys. How many sequence you can write like this? How many things you can write like this? Infinite number of things you can write. Okay, basically you can write like this. Infinite number of sequence you can write. So I used word sequence. I used a word called sequence. Correct, student? So slowly I'm entering the word, not series, student. I'm using the word sequence. Clear? So now you guys tell me, I'm going to say these are all called as sequence. So what is your conclusion? What is sequence? Numbers arranged in a particular order. That's all. What is sequence? What
Number
is
arranged in particular order.
numbers? Numbers. Okay. In general, sequence is used everywhere, correct or not? But it's mathematics, right? So here we are restricting only numbers. Numbers are arranged in a particular rule or condition or some pattern. You can write so many things, clear or not? Some common rule is there, correct or not? Only when you find the common rule, you will be able to say the next term, clear or not? So how many sequence I said? You have infinite number of sequence, clear or not? Now, any doubt on this word sequence? Any doubt? Sequence is what? It's crystal clear, guys. This is repeated. It will be completely repeated in your 11th standard. Okay. So this is not just for your board exam, even 11th standard, whoever planning to choose mathematics in your 11th standard.
Sir,
So
repeat the concept of sequence.
Yes. Okay. So numbers are arranged in a particular rule or conditions called a sequence. Now, anyone knows that what is series? I think someone used series here, right? It's not series. Given all are sequence. And the other name of sequence is called as what? Progression. Many 10 students, if I ask sequence and progression, they are thinking different. Sequence and progression, both are same. So when to use progression, when to use, both are same. You can use anywhere. You can use, instead of sequence, you can use progression. Instead of progression, you can use sequence. Clear or not, guys? Clear or not? So if I ask what is the definition of progression, same definition for progression also. Clear? Now, guys, in general, because basically your 5 chapter, even though your chapter name is what? Your chapter name is what? Arithmetic progression. It is not just arithmetic progression. It includes 3 different topics. One is introduction to sequence and series. Second is arithmetic progression. Third is arithmetic series. Clear or not? So your title, basically, it's not telling other 2. It is simply telling what? Arithmetic progression. But it includes, if you go through all the subtopic inside the chapter, you will find all 3. Clear or not? So I'm not going to spend much time. Guys, the general rule is called as nth term. The general rule is called as nth term. Anyone can tell me what is the general term here? The nth term, guys. So basically, I wanted to say one more thing. The numbers arranged, these numbers are called as what? Anyone can tell me? It's called as elements. It's called as elements. So numbers are arranged in a particular order. These numbers are called as members or elements. Elements of the sequence. Guys, are you clear? These are all called as elements of the sequence. Okay. In general, elements are represented by A1, A2, A3, which means what? A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term, right? What is nth term is the common rule. Common rule. Anyone can tell me what is the common rule in your first example? Nth term is represented by, guys, I'm not coming to your AP, arithmetic progression now. No, I'm telling introduction to sequence and series, right or not? So guys, you tell me what is the general term inside here. Anyone can tell me what is the general term? General term represented by AN. It's called as nth term. Anyone can tell me what is the general term here? Guys, what rule is behind that? You are just putting n equal to 1, n equal to just n. That's all. So how this nth rule, please remember, student, when you are seeing nth term, how this will create the result, I'll tell you. All you are finding, instead of 1, what you will substitute? 1. So what you'll write? A1 equal to 1. Clear? Then instead of n, what you will substitute? 2. A2 is equal to 2. Are you clear, student? So if I give you the sequence, you can bring the nth term. If I give you nth term, you can bring the sequence. Yes or no? Both will possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. Okay. At least new student, maybe they are thinking, what about the old student, right? Please respond. Okay. I'm just stopping my recording. Okay. Sorry, video. Okay. So similarly, anyone can tell me what is the nth term of the second thing? Just the thing that are you able to find the common rule from where you can write your nth term? Guys, tell me. Guys, tell me what is the nth term here? You tell me some rule, student. So I'm going to substitute n equal to 1, n equal to 2. I should get this number. That is called as rule. Clear or not? Everyone? Anyone?
Sir, n equals 3 or what, sir?
N equal to 3. No, you have to write some term. So I'm going to substitute 1. Then I will get the first term. Clear or not? I will get the first term. So you have to tell me what is the common rule behind that. This is called as nth term.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Sir, I don't understand.
Yeah, that's what I want. Maybe I'll write now, then you guys will understand. If I write 2 plus n minus 1 into 3, or if I write 2 plus, not 2 plus, 1 plus, this we are going to learn detail, student. Okay. So basically 3 minus 3. So basically I'll write 3n minus 1. Guys, apply this rule. Will it work or not? Check it. What is your n first? What is your n first? N is what? You will substitute 1 now. Correct or not? Substitute 1. What will happen? 3 minus 1 is what? 2.
2.
Second is what? A2. If you substitute 2 here, what will happen? 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Are you getting this or not? This is called as nth term. We are going to learn everything in detail, student. You can check one more term also. N equal to 3. That's what A3. What is that? 9 minus 1. Are you getting 8? So are you crystal clear, student, that
Yes, sir.
I can say the terms. Sorry, if I give you the sequence, are you okay to write it? I know that it's not so easy, because even JEE students finding difficulties to write nth term. But nth term is a root mantra for sequence. If any time you are okay to find the nth term, then the magic will happen. Okay?
Sir, we can directly use a plus n minus 1 into
Yep.
sir.
Since you know AP, you are saying that. That's what I'm saying that. Nah? If you don't know AP, what you will write?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm thinking you guys don't know anything. Okay. I'm starting just a sequence, a rule. Clear or not? Clear or not? So this is the way you have to write the rule. For one thing, I already written the rule. Clear or not? So rest of the things, I want you guys to write the rule. Okay. So I'm leaving that part. Rest. Write the rule. Do it.
Sir, how did you?
Yes. Yes, tell me.
How did you write 3? How did you get that number?
That is what the secret. You should apply different condition. Clear or not? You have to tell me now the rule is working or not, the one which I have written. Clear or not? So it is difficult.
Sir, it's working, but I didn't know how you got 3.
This is what you can, this is the secret here. We will learn this. Okay. Now you guys to understand that if I give you the sequence, you will be able to write the general term. I know that how difficult, how easy is according to the given sequence. Clear or not? Clear or not? We will see that. Clear or not, right?
Sir,
But
without
still,
formula
guys,
method, it is not clear, sir.
this one is not clear.
No, sir.
No, I'm saying that, guys, these are all rules. All you have to understand, there are infinite number of sequences are there. Everywhere you should know. This is not teaching in one particular example, student. Please remember, that's what I'm going to say that. This rule work for only this. This rule work for, I think this is easy. Na? Anyone can tell me what is the rule? Anyone can tell me what is the rule?
Yeah,
Easily
sir.
you can write. The sixth one. An equal to what? Anyone? 1 by n student. That's all. Correct or not?
Correct.
An equal to 1 by n. So instead of 1, 1 by 1. Then 2. So numerator is 1 is fixed. But denominator is what?
But
1,
n is
2,
differing.
3. Clear or not? So writing general term, it's not something a common teaching. Clear or not? Every sequence follow its own rule. Some sequence writing is easy, some sequence are difficult. All you have to understand, the moment you understand it's following some rule, you should be in the position to find a common rule. Again, I'm saying that, sir, whether it's for my board exam, no. I'm giving a lot of things which is not needed for your board exam. But all I'm trying to enlighten you guys. These are the things you should know. Clear or not? It is not necessary for your exam. Are you clear? So I'm giving you the concept. Whatever needed for exam, I'll tell you. Whatever needed for exam, I'll tell you. Omkar, can you please go to mute? Yes. Guys, this is what all you understand. What is sequence? What is sequence and what is the terms or what are the elements? You understand AN is nothing but a general term. AN is nothing but a nth term, or what you can say. The other word is what? General term. Okay. There are easy things are there. Just to try to do it. Okay. These are not much needed for your exam. Okay. Whatever needed for your exam, I'll tell you. Okay. You just practice now. You just practice. Clear or not? I think I have given this. I have given this. This you write. This you write. What is the problem here? AN equal to 2n. Done. Khatam or not? Khatam or not?
Yes,
Your
sir.
substitution n equal to
Yes,
1.
sir.
Substitution n equal to 2. So right like this, try to practice, student. Try to practice. Okay. Even if I explain all this 7, don't think that only 7. That's what I'm giving only samples. I'm giving only samples. All you should know, practice lot, and you should know how to write the general term. For even 100 sequence, if I give you also, you try to practice. Clear, student? And don't limit yourself, only 100 is there now. Now, I'm quickly explaining you guys what is series. What is series? Anyone knows that what is series? Now you guys tell me whatever you learned in your school, what is series? I'm sure that by this time your school chapter school already completed this. Can you tell me what is series? This word is there in your textbook is there. Series. How many of you really go through the textbook and know the meaning of series? Hariharan?
Sir, no idea.
No idea. Okay. What is series? Guys, if I say A1, A2, A3, it's going like this. This is what we
The
said.
group
It's
of
called as
progression.
no. I'm not getting a proper definition, but it's okay. A1, A2, A1, A2, A3, are called as what? Sequence, or other name is what? Progression. No doubt on this. What does series means? Guys, instead of comma, replace plus. A1, A2, A3. Guys, this is called a series. Clear or not? Just you are removing comma and you are putting what? Instead of that, what you are putting? Plus. The comma is replaced by plus. It's called a series. Anyone can tell me what is the definition now? I want the definition from your mouth. Anyone?
The sum of
The
the
sum of
sequence.
all sequence.
Yes, sum of the terms in the sequence. Bolo?
Sum of all
Sum
the
of
terms
the-
present in a sequence.
Sum of all the terms in the sequence. Sum of all the terms in a sequence is or a progression. Okay, is called as.
Sir, you already said
series.
progression is nothing but sequence.
Yep. That's what I said. You can write sum of all the terms in a sequence or progression. You can say. Clear or not? Instead of this
Yes,
word,
sir.
you can put progression. I'm saying that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Any doubt? So if I say that, okay, so sequence also, there are two terms. I forgot to say that. Guys, this is called, at the moment it's ending, it's called as finite sequence. The moment I put a dot, are you seeing that? It's called as
Finite.
infinite sequence. Clear? So what is finite sequence? A sequence contains finite number of elements, finite number of terms. Infinite sequence, a sequence contains infinite number of terms. Similarly, a
We
series
do the
also can
same thing
have.
for decimal places in irrational number.
Yes, you are right. Okay, you can in series also same thing. For example, 2, 3, 4 is called as series. Sorry, it's called as sequence. It's called as sequence. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is called as series. But both of them what? Finite. Yes or no? So a finite series means what? Can you tell me what is finite series? A series contains finite number of elements. Only the word is series means series, sequence means sequence. That's all. So for example, if I write 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, if I write like this, and if I write 2 plus 3 plus 4, this is sequence and this is series. But what kind of sequence? Infinite sequence and infinite series. So what is series, infinite series? Sum of infinite sequence is called as infinite series. So basically, guys, sir, if the numbers are ended, not ended, how come you will find the sum? We'll see the magic. We'll see the magic. Clear or not? Here in AP, it's only limited to what? Limited to what? Only finite series too. You are not going to learn infinite. Please remember, okay? But in 11th standard, there is a separate chapter called infinite sequence, infinite series. Are you clear? In 11th standard, you have a separate chapter called as
Sir, in
infinite
NCRT or what,
sequence.
sir?
Huh?
In NCRT or what, sir?
In NCRT as well as JEE, you have the exam called JEE, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Joint entrance examination.
Yeah, both of them. So basically, if you want to go to IIT, you need to know. Okay. So by the way, I am a IIT JEE match coach. Okay, not a school teacher. Please understand. Okay. So whatever needed for your JEE level, all the things I'm having, because practically we are handling the classes now. Clear? Any doubt till now, guys? Any doubt till now? What is
No, sir.
sequence? What is series? Only 2 words. I didn't teach anything till now. What is sequence? What is series? Crystal clear or not?
Yeah, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Okay. Now the question is, sir, how many sequences are series like this? How many you have sequence? I told you infinite number of sequence, but mathematically or in physics, right? We are not going to learn everything, all infinite. It's not possible. But there are certain things are really important. What are they basically? First is arithmetic sequence. Bolo, arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence and harmonic progression or harmonic sequence. People use, instead of arithmetic sequence, what is that? Arithmetic progression also. Please remember, both of them same student. Don't think any time is different, okay? Because that's why they are calling us AP, not AS. Are you clear? AP is the expansion of what? Arithmetic progression only.
Progression.
But it is arithmetic sequence also. Clear? Okay. Same way, instead of geometric sequence, you can say geometric progression. It's called as what? GP. Clear? GP. Then I told you, right? Harmonic sequence or harmonic progression is called HP. Then you
Say
have
what
something
is
called
harmonic,
as,
sir?
you have what? AGP. What is that? Arithmetic geometric sequence. So it's a combined of both. Clear or not? Then you will learn what? Lot of special series also you will learn. Lot of special sequence also you will learn. So lot of special. Even here also I'll teach you some special sequence. Okay. So please understand everything you will learn here in whatever is in 11th standard. And including this part you are learning 10th as well as 11th. Are you clear? You are learning in both 11th and 12th standard, sorry, 10th and 11th standard. Okay. So 12th standard, it is not there. As I mentioned, it is needed for your JE. JE exam, not just a 12th syllabus student. It includes what? Your 11th and 12th. Okay, not just. But fundamental concept will be came from even 6th standard also. Clear or not? Maths is a beautiful subject. Whatever you learn in your 6th standard, that will be applied in your 10th and even GE level. Clear or not? No other subject needed that continuation. Even science, 10th science you can learn without learning 9th science. But maths is not like that. It should be a chain. Clear or not? Somehow you have to learn. If someone not studying 9th standard maths, they are coming to 10th standard what? Which means what? They have to finish their 9th maths somehow. Without 9th maths, you cannot learn 10th maths. And without 10th maths, you cannot learn 11th maths. Clear? And your 8th, 9th, up to 7th standard maths, you looks same. 8th, 9th, 10th, almost similar. Then 11th onwards, your maths concept, everything is different, student, not like the way you are learning maths now. Clear or not? Everything up to 10th is pure algebra. Pure algebra, correct or not? Such equation, moving LHS, RHS, finding X, that's what you are doing 80% of the time. Clear or not? But 11th standard, you will see the difference. Does not mean algebra is not there. Algebra will be there. But what you should understand, that's only a part. Majority part is different. Okay, coming to this, guys. So as I mentioned, in arithmetic sequence, what are things you are learning here? Okay. So in AP, what are the things you are going to learn in your 10th standard is, as I said, 3 things are there. Okay, this is what your syllabus student. First, intro about sequence and series. So this is already over. Screen number 1 and 2, I already finished. Correct or not? Now, what is arithmetic progression? What is arithmetic progression? You will learn about arithmetic progression here. Even though title is arithmetic progression, but arithmetic progression one of subtopic only. Then you will learn, like you have arithmetic sequence, correct or not? Arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Same way you have a arithmetic series. Guys, don't get confused, because many students, even after coming to 11th standard, if I ask what is arithmetic sequence, they don't know. They don't have crystal clear idea. And they are mixing with, confusing with this word also. Clear? Guys, English meaning is different. Maths is different, okay? Maths is different. Don't apply your English knowledge to what? Maths. Maths is, all the words are technically different. Clear or not? You should not compare, because many students argued with me, sir, series means what, sir? How come you are saying somehow, but grammatical meaning is different, sir? That's what I'm saying, that it is not an English class, okay? Maths means it has its own definition. Clear or not? So then arithmetic series. Guys, I'm going to explain, already I explained this, okay? So this is, I'm going to teach you from next screen. And this part, next class. This is what course plan. Clear or not? A small topic, such an important chapter, and you will get more marks from this chapter. Okay. So highest, the possibility of more question is more. Clear, student? Can I have yes or no, student? Can I have yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everything
Yes,
is
sir.
clear or not?
Sir.
Screen
Sir.
2, screen. Just I'm moving screen 4 and the screen 5. I'm not going to teach anything here. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay. So because you should not say, sir, it's more. No. I'm just taking only this part, and only this part we are going to learn. Okay.
Sir, can you
So
say
now,
meaning of term harmonic, sir?
what is that? Harmonic progression. What is the meaning of harmonic progression?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, guys, this is not so difficult. I can explain this, right? No, the moment I explain this, then I'll explain this. It's just a 2-minute job for me. Okay, I'll explain this. Okay, surely just remind me, clear or not. After I explain this, I'll explain all the things. Clear or not?
Okay, sir.
Right. So let's start arithmetic progression. Guys, hereafter I will use only the word arithmetic progression, but please, you should remember that both of them are same, arithmetic sequence and arithmetic progression. Okay. And even that also I will use only this word AP. I will not use every time arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence. Don't expect me to repeat the same dialogue again and again. Okay, just remember that. Okay. So what is arithmetic progression? So first, it is a progression. Yes or no? We learned so many progression, right? Every progression having some condition. Yes or no? Every progression having some condition. So for arithmetic progression, there is a special condition. 1 minute, someone is chatting. Someone saying good student. Okay, guys, maybe you join through some of your friends. Please make sure that you can rename your things. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, this is a free demo class, no issue. You can join. You are all here, right? Learning max. Okay, there is no issue. You are all student. Just make sure that use your right name, use your correct name, and no unnecessary chat. Okay, if anyone getting like this, please let me know. Right, what I can do is only thing is I can remove the student. That's the only thing I can do. Right, student? We don't know each other. Clear or not? That the experience, correct or not, the experience should not be any what create any pain to others. Very important, right? So coming to arithmetic progression, guys, what I said, there is a rule. Clear or not? So what is the rule? That is what you should know. Anyone can tell me what is the rule in arithmetic sequence? Because you already know now.
So differs from the preceding one constant equality.
Yes. Can you please repeat who is talking? Can you please repeat? Good. I appreciate you.
Sir, in sequence, we got to know that there will be increase or decrease in the difference.
Sir, one
Constant.
differs from the preceding of the one constant quantity.
This. Okay. Super. So appreciate you. Thanks for guys. That's very important. Okay. Don't worry about others. Whatever you feel, you are sharing. Right. As long as it's not disturbing others, feel free to share your views, idea. There is no matter what others will think, whether my answer is going to be correct or not. No, at least in online classes, we are not going to see you. Clear or not? So be happy, share your definition. So I'll give a simple definition, student. Okay, maybe I'll write the example. Okay, I'll write 3, 7, 11, 15. I'm going to call this as a AP. Sir, why it's called as AP? If you notice that one term, every term is added a constant value, it's with the preceding term. Clear or not? 7 is obtained by adding plus 4 with the first term. And the third term is obtained adding plus 4 with the second term. So which means, can you give, based on this, can you give us some definition? So, or I can give you. Okay, AP is a sequence. First, when you are defining, all right, this is the English meaning. Okay, you have to tell it's a sequence first. It's a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. What is that? It's a sequence in which difference between any two consecutive, it's very important. Any two, which term? Consecutive terms. That word is, every term is very important, right? So you may learn so many definition. Okay, so your textbook or your teacher may teach you in a different way, but always have a crystal clear, because definition means you should not use your common sense. Okay, you should have a crystal clear one line definition. Clear or not? Anytime, what is your AP means? It's a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Consecutive terms is constant. Guys, this is that constant. Correct or not? So difference between any two consecutive terms. Guys, this can be AP is what? Every term obtained by adding a constant value is a preceding term. You can say like that also. Clear or not? But I feel this is a better. Clear or not? Any two. The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So before that, you have to tell it's a sequence first. Means it should have some condition. Clear or not? So any doubt on this definition? What is arithmetic progression?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Guys, I think Nudan, right? What's your name? Nudan? How to pronounce your name? Nud. Can you tell me your name? Nudan, right? Nudan or Nudan? I'm not getting any response from you.
Sir,
You only
Nutan,
asked,
sir.
right? Huh?
Nutan.
Nutan. Okay. Nutan, you are from Karnataka, right? Hello? Didn't get any response, but it's okay. You only asked the definition of this, correct or not?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. From Karnataka, sir.
Yep. Guys, just I'm going to, it's good for everyone's too. Okay. So we understand that the rule of AP is what? Difference is constant. In GP, ratio is constant. Bolo, this is here difference is constant. Here ratio is constant. And you asked what is HP? What is HP?
Correct,
Is
sir.
what is HP? HP is if a sequence or the reciprocal of a sequence. If a reciprocal of the sequence. Getting, please go to mute. Devesh, you are. Guys, go to mute. Only if you have a doubt, just unmute and talk. Okay, guys, what is HP means? In a sequence, or if the reciprocal of the sequence is AP, what is that? If the reciprocal of the sequence is AP, then the given sequence is called as HP. What a beauty, correct or not? So there is no separate definition of harmonic progression.
There means 1/2 is at AP, right, sir?
Guys, I'll tell you. Okay, maybe I think I have an example here. I have written something now. This is AP. This is AP. This is AP, and this is GP. Yes or no? Because ratio is same. Correct or not? 4/2, 2. 8/4, 2.
Correct, sir.
Like guys, this is your HP. Why?
Sir.
If you reciprocal this, what you'll get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the reciprocal is what? AP. The moment the reciprocal of AP, then the given sequence is called as what? HP. So HP is what? How you will qualify this HP? You have to reciprocal the sequence. Clear or not? Guys, anyhow, these are all JE level, okay? Not even your NCRT does not have harmonic progression. Clear or not? Your NCRT does not have HP. But JE level, you need that. But it's very simple definition, okay? So means if in a sequence, if the reciprocal, if you reciprocal it, if you are getting AP, then the given sequence is HP. Clear? That's what 1/AP is called as HP. Right. What is AGP? Is a mixture of. It's a mixture of, or the product of. AGP is what? AP into GP. Even 12th student does not know a crystal clear idea. It's very simple. AGP means what? Product of AP and GP. You write some AP, you write some GP. If you multiply both, you will get what? AGP, which means what? Guys, this is AP, na? This is AP. And this is GP. If you form, just to multiply these two, what is that? 20. 7 into 4 is what? 28.
28.
4 into 8 is what? 32.
32.
Guys, this is called as AGP. What a beauty. You are learning all the things which is needed for your higher classes learning now itself. Clear or not? But it's not a difficult things. Clear or not? One you understand, other things are automatic. Clear or not? So there are special sequence. Anyhow, I'll cover this. Don't worry. Clear? Any question? So it's answer, not only answer for Nutan. Sorry. Nutan.
Sir,
right?
can you again repeat
Nutan.
about GP, sir?
You want to know about GP?
Yeah, sir.
Instead of adding, what we said, what you said for here? What you said? You are adding some constant term. Instead of that, you are
Yes, sir.
multiplying some common term. Then it's called as GP. Are you clear?
GP. Okay, sir.
Here you are adding now plus 4 plus 4. Instead of,
Yes, sir.
if you are multiplying, for example, 2, 4, 8, what you are happening? Into 2, into 2. So then this is called a GP. Clear or not? Right.
Yes, sir.
Guys, these are all, out of your syllabus, but it's okay. Knowing, don't every time focus on just your score. Okay. Learning other things, okay, but not just
Sir, at
deep.
GP.
Okay. At a high level, you just understand. Yes.
Sir,
That, yes.
sir, at
Siddesh,
GP
yes.
only multiplying, not sir, and dividing the definite number.
Yeah, what is the definition? There, you are multiplying 2, 4, 8, 16, correct or not? So like this, you are adding plus 4, clear or not? So what is the definition of GP? What is the definition of AP? Every term is obtained by a constant term with the preceding term. What is GP? Every term obtained by a multiplying a constant term with the preceding term, clear or not? But instead of this, you can give this definition for AP. What is that? Difference between 7 minus 3, 4. 11 minus 7, 4. So instead of that, you can use this word. Similarly, for GP also, instead of multiplication, what you can say that? Ratio between any two consecutive terms. What's happening? 4 by 2 is what? Ratio means division, na? 4 by 2 is what? 2. 8 by 4 is what? 2. 16 by 8 what? 2. Guys, same meaning, different definition. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's, don't worry about ratio or multiplication. Guys, no much more question. Stop. Okay, we want to cover a lot because it's not the time we, I know so many things. Does not mean I'm explaining. We have to stick with the syllabus. Clear? So you understand what is AP. Clear or not? So what is the AP? I'm going to define some important terms. Important result, student. Right? You should know about what important formulas also I can say. Important formulas. Guys, basically in general, I don't like formulas. Okay, I will not teach formula. But this formula just to focus on how the formula is derived. Clear or not? So I'll take this example, student, for deriving all the formulas. Clear or not? So I'll take this 3, 7, 11, 15. Guys, what is this? Plus 4, plus 4. Guys, what I defined, 3, 7, 11, 15 are called as what? Terms. Terms of AP are the elements of AP. So how you represent terms? Do you remember that? A1, A2, A3, A4, like that. It is going like that. Clear or not? So some standard textbook, they are not using A1, A2. They are using what? T1 or T1, like this also. So when you are referring some textbook, right? They will use, instead of A1, they will use T1 or T1. Everything same. Clear or not? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see how nice I am. Your notes also should be crystal clear, student. Your notes, when you are reading your notes, should be very crystal clear. Clear or not? Take your time and writing. Okay, maths is not writing page by page. No. Write in 3 to 4 lines, crystal clear ideas. You see my notes after I'm in the class, I'm sharing the notes. You see here how it's nice. I want better results, better notes than this. Clear? Guys, when you are seeing this, first formula is what? How to justify whether it is AP or not. What is the formula? Guys, I'm giving this. Verify whether it's AP or not. What you will do? What you will do? All you will do, second term minus first.
Second term minus first
Yes,
term.
sir.
And third term minus second term. You will just test it for some 3 values, not more. A4 minus I3. Clear or not? So anytime this difference is equal means your answer is yes. Given is AP. Clear or not? And the difference is called as what? D. Yes or no? So difference, don't think that, guys, difference mean, don't think that's always second term minus first term. You can take any term minus its previous term. Clear or not? Any term minus previous term will give you D. So now tell me, what is a common formula for D? D is AN minus 1. Are you clear? Any term minus its previous term. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now the problem is, what is an? An is, I told you, what is that? An is called as nth term.
Nth term of an AP.
Nth term. Okay. In general, nth term of sequence, but here we are calling as an is a nth term of AP. Clear or not? Guys, there is a special letter used for the first letter. Instead of A1, what letter you can use?
A.
A. Excellent. So A1, A both are same. Hereafter, if I use A or A1, just the thing that both are same, no difference. No difference. Please understand. These are small points. You guys may be not giving importance, but trust me, guys, because of this only maths is difficult. There is no matter how many problems you are solving. But the one which I'm teaching, right? This is concept, right? You cannot get even open 1,000 YouTube videos. They will not give. Please understand from YouTube, because now students are very, they are trusting YouTube than the teacher. Yes or no? That's what's happening. Correct or not? You guys are science. Okay, we'll see in YouTube. So you are not respecting what teachers is taking the class. Please understand. YouTube, you cannot find a quality videos. There are n number of videos will solve the problem, but very few videos only will teach the concept. Clear or not? Finding those kind of videos again difficult. The reason because of what? You student will not respect the contents or the concept, rather than you will respect what? Exercise 2.1. Whoever videos is addressing directly exercise 2.1 or 7.1 particular problem, you are giving more importance to those kind of videos. Yes. Rahul, who is talking? Guys, if you have some doubt, you can ask me. Okay. I didn't get who is asking.
No doubt,
Okay.
sir.
No doubt. Okay. So guys, the very important things, understand the concept. Okay. Now, anyone having doubt on the first formula? This is, I can call it as your
Sir, I didn't
formula
understand.
number 1. Full.
Yes, sir.
You are Arya's friend?
What?
No. Rahul, you are, how you got the link? You are
What?
Arya's friend, or how you got the link? Just
Sir?
to join, I'm asking. From whom you got the link, I'm asking. Rahul. Just I want to know, yeah, nothing. Don't worry, because it's shared in the lot of groups. Maybe someone shared. Just I wanted to know through whom you joined. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what you don't understand? D is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. So if you put 3 here, you put 2 here. 4 means 3, which means what? N means what? N minus 1. So any term minus its previous term. Clear or not? So don't think always second term minus first term. Any term minus its previous term is called as what? Common
Difference.
D. Okay.
Sir, how we are deriving that? Can you say, sir?
Guys, there is one more letter I wanted to say that. Yep. What is that?
Sir, how we are deriving? Can you say, sir?
This formula.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, this is very simple, na? If you put 2 here, you have to put 1. If you have A3, you have to put 1, 2. Clear or not? If you put N, what you have to put here?
2 only, right, sir?
Very simple.
If you are putting 3, then 2. 4 means 3. So if you put in general N.
N minus 1 only, sir.
N minus 1. Are you clear?
Clear, sir.
Yep. Guys, the special now letter for first term is A. What is the special letter for last term? Anyone can tell me?
AN, right, sir?
No, it's actually L. Last term. Last term is what? L.
Yes.
But please remember, A1 always A. But L is not always A4. Why? Because I don't know my last term. So in general, the nth term, you are very correct. AN is called as L also. Please remember, nth term is called as your last term. Clear, students? So by using that, I'm going to derive few other important results. Maybe I'll use the same screen. Okay, I'm not moving to screen number 9 because I want to continue from here. Just I'll put an arrow mark here. 1 minute, student. Okay. So screen 8 is continued in screen 12. Okay, because I have to scroll up, scroll down. Okay, so next formula. So formula number 1 is over. Clear or not? Second formula is, what is the general term? Bolo, what is the general term?
General term.
How you are writing general term or nth term? You can say anything. General term. Sir, how to write the general term? No. We'll write general form first. We'll write what? General form. Then I'll write general term. General form means what? Guys, this is called a general form. Clear or not? What is general form? A1, A2, A3, A4. So it is a general form of not only AP. Guys, it's a general form of everything. Clear or not? Any sequence is a general form. But what is specially for AP? You just observe the thing. A1 is what? A1 is what? A. So I'm going to rearrange that. A1 is. Guys, please listen. Okay, don't talk in the middle. Let me complete, then I'll ask the question. Okay, till then, don't talk. Okay, guys, what is A2? How you obtain? You are adding 3 plus 4. Then how you obtain A3 or 11? You are adding 7 plus 4. Guys, these are all common difference, and the letter they are using what? D. So how you obtain your A2? Second term. Second term obtained by A plus D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second term is A plus D. Third term, how you are obtaining? Say that.
A plus 2D.
Second term plus D. Second term plus D. Second term what you got? A plus D. Then again you are adding one more D. What will happen? A plus 2D.
A plus 2D.
Then next is what?
Baba
A plus.
party going to
Who is talking? Who is talking? Anyone can tell me who is talking? Guys, it's not correct. Okay, Aadhishankara.
Sorry.
Who is join us, Aadhishankara? Okay, I'm going to lock the meeting and I'm going to remove the student who were disturbing the class. Guys, can someone note it down and tell me who is?
Me, and me.
So they're trying some stupid prank.
Yeah, I know that. That same thing. Okay, I'm going to remove. I'll lock the meeting first.
Some bad students are doing.
Remove them, sir.
Bad boys, sir. They are disturbing to us.
Or remove this guy called Manoj, sir. As far as I know, he's the one who's doing it.
No, sir, it's me.
Anyone else?
No, sir.
I locked the meeting. Anyone else? Guys, anyone else?
No, sir.
No.
No,
Please.
No, sir.
Please.
No,
report.
sir.
Anyone disturbing the class? Because today we share the link with, I think, lot of groups. Just let me know, student. If anyone is sending any personal chat, guys, please report me immediately. What we'll do, we'll remove the student and we'll lock the meeting. The problem is, if you guys left, you cannot join. That's a problem. So make sure that your internet is good. But no problem. This session is being recorded.
Now current was gone, sir. Again, I rejoined, sir.
Yep. So who is that?
Sir, Nutan,
sir.
Nutan, okay. So what will happen, guys? If at all you got disconnected, maybe you'll not able to join, okay? Because I locked the meeting already. So don't worry that in that case, you will get the recording, okay? Just guys, you just WhatsApp me to this number, okay? This is not my personal number. This is a number which we reserve for this tuition purpose. Okay, just a message to this number, you'll get the recording. Okay, guys, if at all, just note this down, because if you get disconnected, you'll not able to join. Clear? Can I have a sir? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Make sure that right. Just mention your name, everything properly if you want the recording. Okay, we'll send no problem.
Send the number, sir.
Huh?
Number.
Number is there now. Oh, sorry. I stopped the screen sharing. Sorry. 1 minute, student. It is there. I already written, but I didn't notice that. I'm not sure. Okay, guys. So general form is clear or not? This is the general form of AP. Any doubt? If they asking in your question, write AP or write the general form of AP, this is the answer. Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, guys, from here we are going to derive the third formula called general term. The rhythm is very important, student. Max means you should know. The problem is your textbook, right? The rhythm is missing. What is missing? Rhythm. What you should learn first, what you should learn second. Clear or not? When they are defining that the textbook, it's not in the proper order. Clear? That's why you feel difficulties. Clear? But now we understand what is the that one example. From there we derived two important results already. The third important result is general term. General term is what, student? What is general term? We know already now. AN is called, as I told you. What is that? Nth term.
Nth term.
Or general term. So, or you can say the rule. Clear or not? That's a rule, no?
Correct.
That is the rule. So you can say anything. Nth term is nothing but rule also. It's a rule. Just to focus on this, guys. What you noticed? Your first term is A. Your second term is what? A plus D. Third term is what? A plus 2D. Clear? Guys, who is that? If you guys talking unnecessary, I will remove. Okay. Make sure that you are not disturbing the class. It's very important. Okay. No excuse if you are disturbing even single. If other student get disturbed by you, then I will remove you. Okay. I already locked the meeting. So guys, what do you understand from the second formula? That A1 is A, A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, A4 is A plus 3D. What do you understand? Can you tell me what is A10?
A plus 9D.
A plus
90.
Excellent. Whatever you are putting, one less. Clear or not? So if
Yes,
I
sir.
give A10 means A plus 90. AN means what? A plus, whatever number is here, you are reducing
Minus
one.
one.
Whatever N minus
N
1.
minus 1 into D.
This is called as your third formula. But I don't like this formula. I will not use any time. Some cases we will use, but if I ask you to find the 10th term, will you use this formula? No. Directly you write A plus 90.
Yeah, sir.
Yes or no?
Directly we can write A plus 90.
That's what. So I don't like you guys wants to use this formula, but I'll tell you the importance formula is there because the rule, na clear or not, it's a rule. It will help you some other place.
Sir,
But
if
don't
one
use.
variable is not given, we can use that, right, sir?
Yep. I'll tell you. But in general, if I want to find A21, what you'll write? A plus 20D. That's all. So you don't
Yes,
want to
sir.
use this formula anymore. That is no longer needed. Okay. Only thing is some situation we need that. I'll tell you when. Okay. Guys, again, I'm continuing the further formula on this so that you will scroll down, scroll up. It's easy. Okay. So first formula, second formula, third formula. Guys, what is pending? Till now, no one asking. We understand what is A, what is A1, A2, A3, and we understand what is D. What is N, student? AN we understand, nth term. What is N?
N in the sense infinite number, right, sir?
N is telling
Number
the
of
position.
terms or what, sir?
N is telling the position. Am I right or not? A4 is what? Fourth position. Clear or not?
Yeah,
So
sir. N equals 4 there, right, sir?
Yeah. N is means position. So this is nth position. Clear or not? Here A4 means what? Fourth position or fourth term. So it is telling the position. Guys, it is not just telling the position. Otherwise, what it's saying that if you have till A4, what is the telling that my last term is A4 means what? This is having 4 number of terms. So n is multiple meaning. One is what? Position. Second is what? Number of terms. Guys, your textbook is not defining this formula, but I'm going to define that. That find n. Finding n. What is the meaning of n? Position, number of terms. Also, it will use for justify whether the term is present or not. Justify whether the term is present or not. I'll tell you that, okay? Guys, how this formula is derived? It is very simple, student. What is this? Nth term. Nth term also what? Nth term also what? Last term. Yes or no?
Correct,
Nth
sir.
term. So
Yes,
last,
sir.
can I write instead of L or A plus N minus 1 into D equal to last term? Can I write last term? Yes. So guys,
Yes, sir.
from here we are going to derive a beautiful formula. It is not there in the most of the textbook, but very, very important formula, guys. Anyone can use your algebra. Simply use algebra. Just I want to keep N here. Rest of the term I have to move here. What you will do? Tell me first. You'll move A to that side first. Yes or no?
Minus A.
L minus A.
L minus
Yes,
A.
sir.
Then after that D where you will put?
By
Divided by D, yes, sir.
Then plus minus 1 where you will do? You will put minus 1 here? No. Where you will put minus
No.
1? You will put minus 1 here, plus 1. Yes or no?
Plus 1, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus
1000
yes.
stars you can give. Unfortunately, it's not there in many of the textbook, even Aadhishankara, whatever textbook you call. This formula is available only few textbook. Clear or not? But the benefit of this formula, 3 benefits. One is what? One is what? It tell you the position. Position means what, sir? For example, if I give you 40, okay, if I tell you 100 in which position? Clear or not? I'll tell you 15. 15 in which position? 4th position. Yes or no? So if I tell you the value, you can tell me the position. Yes or no? You can tell me the positions. So n will return what? Position. Second, what is the benefit? He tell you if you tell me first term and last term, I'll tell you the number of terms. Guys, this symbol is what? Maybe if you don't know, this is actually short notation for number of. Okay. Anytime if you want to
Sir,
use
you
number of.
use NO dot off, right, sir?
Yep. Yeah, that's what you can use that. That is very popular. Everyone knows that. But this is only people who are using little bit advanced concept, they will use this. Okay.
Sir, hashtag
So,
concept or what, sir?
yes, it's a hashtag only. Okay. So what is the other benefit, guys? Very important. Justify a term. Justify a term. Which means what? Which means what? Guys, I'm telling you, 15th in which position? 4th position.
4th position.
Fourth position.
Can we test this? Can we test this formula? So what I told you, the position that you want, you have to consider that as a L. So what is the position I asked? 15. And what is the first term in our example? 3, na?
Yes, sir.
And what is the common difference?
Sir,
4,
4.
na? Just you apply this. 15 minus 3 by 4. 15 minus 3 is what, student? 12. 12 by 4 is what? 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 3 plus 1. You are getting this formula is working or not? The formula is super formula, guys. Very simple. All you need to do, take the last term. You should not remember as last term minus first term by common. No, you should think that whenever you want the number of terms, all are the position, all you will do what? Take the term minus this term, whatever difference, divided by this, whatever answer you are getting, right? Extra 1. Extra 1. That will give you the position. Yes or no? Or the number of terms also.
Sir, L is the last position or what, sir?
N is the N is the it's not something always last position. Up to what terms you are considering, that is your N. Clear or not? If you consider only the 15, maybe the sequence is going. You want to know only this position. Clear or not? The sequence is continuous, but I want on a particular position. But number of terms means n is the last. N is the last position. N is the last position. If you want number of terms. So all you need to do, visualize this formula. Very important. But very important thing is justify term. What is the meaning of that? Guys, if I'm saying that 100 in which term? Which position? Which term is 100? What you will do according to this formula? 100 minus 3. What is the answer? 97. 97 by 4 is what? It's a point number,
97.
decimal number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Decimal number. But please remember, never number of terms a decimal number. Number of terms always natural number. Always.
Sir, in that
Guys,
case, what to do, sir?
you have to say that 100 is not part of the sequence. You have a question, na? Correct or not? You have some question. Check whether minus 31 is part of the sequence or not. This
Correct.
formula only you need to use. This formula, and what is your answer? You should say n is not natural number, so the given term is not, the given value is not present in the sequence. Crystal clear or not, guys?
Yeah, sir. In
Three
Aadhishankara
benefits.
also
Yes,
it is not there, sir.
3 benefits, clear or not? So you have to justify the term, whether the term is present in the sequence or not. Are you clear? Understand this meaning? What is the meaning
Yes,
of
sir.
justify a term?
Yes,
Right? Important formulas, three important benefits. Unfortunately, it is not there in your textbook. But from where we derive? From this formula only. Wise, but because of this simple tool is going to help you not only in 10th standard. Repeatedly, I'm saying that it will help you even in your 11th standard also. Right. So our formula derivation over. No, I need to derive one more formula. Unfortunately, that what I can say. I have to go back to there only. Okay, guys, wait. I don't want to disturb the flow. I'll cut this. Okay, this is the beauty of online education. Correct or not? I will cut this guy. Wait, I will cut this person and I will move to where? Screen number 4. Sorry, screen number 9. Right, so that the continuation will be there. Okay, I thought it will be over. We have few more formulas I wanted to teach you guys. Only the concept, but whatever formula I teach you, right, is all golden formula, student. It will help you a lot in your exam. Okay. Nudun, you are sharing your video. Please switch off your video. Sorry, Nudan, please. Said no. You said what? I forgot. Nutan. Yes, Nutan. Please switch off your video. Yes. What's happening in the screenshot? Or it is coming actually. Right. Arya friends. Who are all Arya friends? Nutan, you are also Arya's friend, right? Nutan, you are also Arya's friend.
No, sir. Shivani, sir.
Shivani, okay. Just I want to know, how the technology, suddenly we'll see now some known person coming in our friends list. Similarly, how you got the link? Okay, that's what my interest. Okay, I'm deleting this. I'm cleaning this board. Okay, guys, it's ready. So you are not going there, means you are just following the order. Okay. Screen number 9 having formula number 2 and 3, and screen number 4 is having, screen number 10 is having formula number 4. So what else a formula? Guys, this is another important result. If you know, if I want to find D, how you will find D? Can you tell me? All you need what? 2 consecutive terms. Yes or no? All you need
Yes,
2 consecutive terms. If you
Yes,
don't know 2 consecutive, you will say, sir, I cannot find D. But I'm going to give you a beautiful result. Anyone knows that formula? Anyone? If I give you any
Sir.
2 formula, how to find it? If I give you, if any 2 terms is given.
Sir, A n minus A n minus 1.
Yes. For example, what you are saying that, for example, take our example now. What is that sequence? 3, 7, 11, 15, 19.
Yeah, sir. Common difference is 4.
Right. Common difference is 4. Guys, consider, I'm not giving this. I'm not giving this. You are telling find common D easily. But instead of that, can anyone tell me what is the 11th term here? What is A11? Very simple, student. A plus 10D.
A
Na?
plus 10D.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A is what? 3 plus 40.
10 into 4.
3 plus 10 into 4.
43. Yes or no? 43 is the 10th term.
Yes,
Correct
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm going to
11th
give
term.
you, don't worry. I'm not giving this. Okay. I'm directly giving you. Find D. What I'm saying that? Find D. You just note it down. 11th term is 43. 19, sorry, 5th term is 19. Bolo? 5th term is 19. 11th term is 43. This is the
Sir,
meaning of
11th
that.
term, sir.
Yes. 11th term is 43. That's what we find now. Guys, just now what do we find? 11th term. Guys, don't worry that. Don't worry. Don't imagine that. Okay. Just I'm giving you in a sequence. In a sequence. 5th term is 19. 11th term is 43. How you will find common difference? Tell me.
Sir,
5th term
we
is
write as A plus 4D equals 19.
okay.
Similarly,
Then
A
A
plus
plus
10D equals 43.
then what you will do? You will change the
Equation
sign.
1 minus 2.
Yes. So basically you will say minus 6D equal to minus, what is the answer? 24 na?
24, sir.
D equal to 4.
4.
So guys, how you are finding D? By forming the equation. Correct or not? You are forming, basically you are solving the linear equation. If I give you beautiful method, instead of this, will you be happy or not? We need that. And you know, it is highly accepted because in your JE board exam, sorry, in your CBSE board exam level. But unfortunately, only teacher who is teaching the competitive exam, they only knows that. Okay, even if it is available in YouTube, guys, you know that. So which means it's not available in YouTube, right? So guys, can we generalize the formula? Anyone can tell me. Always what you are doing, you are subtracting this value. Yes or no? Means you are subtracting this value. Always. Yes or no?
Correct, sir.
Always what you are doing. Always, guys, listen. Always after forming the equation, what you are doing? You are subtracting these two values. Yes or no? After that, what you are doing? You are subtracting these two values. After that, whatever subtraction, that is coming to the denominator. This is what you are doing now. Repeated work now. Guys, the moment something is repeated, what is the problem of giving the formula? I'm going to give you D equal to A11 minus A5 upon 11 minus 5. Term difference by the position difference. Guys, think that will it work or not? Check that.
Sir, that is what minus 24 by minus 6, right, sir?
Wait. That's what. Yes. You see here. So 24 by 6. What is the answer you are getting? 4. Guys, you tell me this formula is a beautiful formula or not. Means I'm not going to form the equation. All I'm going to say that what is the value I'm putting on the numerator and whatever the position I'm putting on the denominator. So term difference by position difference will give you the common difference. Bolo, term difference by the position difference will give you the common difference. So can I write a general formula? Any term minus some other term upon respective position. Yes or no? See the position M and N. M and N the position, correct or not? So this is a beautiful formula, guys.
Yes,
you will apply in 100 places in your 11th and 12th and it will save your time like anything, correct or not? Guys, how much time? At least 1 minute it will take. How much time it will take? For writing 4. Even you can do through mind calculation, yes or no? You can do it through mind calculation if you know this formula, correct or not? 49, 43 minus 9 is 24, 24 by 4. But I am not subtracting 4 minus 10. I am subtracting 11 minus 5 only. The reason because of no problem. Na? Here also 1 minus, here also 1 minus. Correct or not? So no issue. 10 minus 4 also will give 6. 11 minus 5 also give the 6. That's why I am not telling that way. I'm telling whatever the position, you just differentiate. Yes or no? Beautiful formula, student, will help you lot to find the common difference. Till now, any problem, any issues?
Sir, if they have given A11 equals 43 and A5 equals 19.
That's what we find D.
Sir, which is bigger number we are writing first, that's it.
No, that's what. Don't worry about the numbers. Right? You know, guys, very simple. You can write any position. You can write A5 minus A11 also. But whatever you are writing first, that should come first. Clear or not?
That should be the
That's why you see here, I write AM minus AN. I'm writing M minus N. If you are writing AN minus AM, then N minus N. Clear or not? Some difference by the respective position difference. Same position you have to put. Are you clear? If you put A5 minus A11, then what will happen? 5 minus 11, minus will come. To avoid minus, always I used to say, put the larger term. Not when I say larger term, not the value. Not the value. Say the which term is very far.
The
from
position
the
you are
first term.
saying, right, sir?
Clear or not? Guys, very easy. Don't too much confusion. Okay? It's your wish. Okay. Just I'm making A11 minus A5 because so that I will get a positive denominator. This always give the positive result. If I take you, I don't know this value. Maybe you know, sometime they will give this is 19, this is 43. No issue. I'm not focusing on that. Sir, if I take reversely, still the formula will work. Only condition is what? If you put 11, here should be 11. Yes or no, guys? It's very simple. You know, I'm explaining. You know, even my son, 4th standard, when he's sitting near to me, he understands things. Clear or not? Right? It's very simple, student. Okay, because all explanation is in a simple language. Clear, guys? That's all. Your arithmetic progression, trust me, is over. The pending is what? Only solving the problem, guys. Solving problem anyone can do. Clear or not? Easily. If you apply this formula, you can solve all the questions, whatever you have. You can do. My request is you can do all the sums once again with the formulas which I shared with you. Right now, it's time is 9. Okay, so guys, I will do the problems in the next class. So before that, just I'll give you the properties, student. I'll give you the properties. Sir, what is the properties? We should know that. Okay. One is if you are adding a number. Okay, we'll take the same example now. We'll take the same example. 3, 7, 9. This is very my favorite example, student. Okay. Just this is AP1. Guys, AP2 is just by adding AP1 plus 2. Can you tell me what will happen? What will happen? 5. Guys, tell me 9,
5, 9, 11.
13. It is going like that. What's happening here? Because of your adding plus 2, your first term is getting changed. Yes or no? Your first term is getting changed. Now the question is whether this is AP. Whether this is AP. Check. How to check AP?
No, sir.
You check the common difference. Yes, it's all getting added by the common number. This is AP now. No, it's not AP.
No, sir.
No, first. No, I think first itself is not AP. No. First one itself.
Yes, sir.
First one itself is not AP.
3, 7, 11, 15, right?
I think after 9, directly 11. Yes, I missed. Okay, first one itself is not AP. Yes, okay. You write 3, 7, 11 directly. Then 15. So if you're adding plus 2, what will happen? 5,
9,
13,
17.
So what is this? Is AP, no doubt on that. And this is AP2. This is, I can say it's not AP2. It's a new sequence. But can you tell me that's also AP or not? This I can say new sequence. Because I don't know whether it's AP or not. It's a new sequence.
AP,
you are getting the new, yes. Plus 2. Sir, not plus 2.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. So what do you understand here? This is also AP. when you are adding, means this is one of the very important property in your JEE level questions. When you are adding a common number with all the terms in AP, the resultant sequence also AP. Are you clear? This is AP to AP.
Yes, sir.
Can we do second thing, a new one more AP, that AP1 into 2? What you'll get? 6,
6,
14.
14, 22, 30.
Guys, what's happening? This is AP or not? Check that first.
AP, sir.
So which number is getting added?
Plus 8.
Plus 8. So what is your conclusion? When you are multiplying a common number, common term is getting multiplied with AP, the resultant also AP. But please remember that when you are adding or subtracting, the common difference remains same. Are you seeing that? This also plus 4, this also plus 4, means D, same D. Yes or no? But here how you are getting D? The new D, how you are getting? Old T means D into what number you are multiplying, same number you have to multiply. Are you clear? Very important property. The same rule will work for even division also. If you divide some common number, your common difference also will be divided by the common number. Are you clear? So this is one of the very important, G level. Even your question also, you are going to have a lot of this question. Which one? MCQs this time. Clear or not? You will be having these kind of questions. Surely, no doubt on that.
Yeah,
Clear,
sir. The
students?
formulas you told will be helpful.
Yep. Guys, this is a very important property. Guys, so many other properties. Okay, if I teach that, which is not needed for your 10th, but AP itself, I can give another 10 to 15 properties. It's not needed. Okay, let's focus on stick to your syllabus. Okay, so let's see in the next class. Just note this number. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, take care, student. Bye bye.